Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Chantal, and yes, we created another orangey look, but I'm obsessed, can't help it. This look I created with the Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey palette, so stay tuned so you can see how to create this look. So to get started on this look today, I'm going to be using the Peter Thomas Roth Moisturizer, and this is the Potency Power Serum. It has vitamin C, vitamin E, and is really good for your skin. And then to wake up my eyes a little bit, I'm going to be using the Cora Organics Nani Radiant Eye Oil. And then we're just going to give that a minute to set and soak into our skin. And now we're going to go in with our primer, and this is the Smashbox Foundation Primer. And I like to prep my under eyes, and I like to use the Smashbox Hydrating Under Eye Primer. And I use a hydrating under eye primer because my under eyes tend to be really dry. So this is perfect for my skin. Now that our skin is primed, moisturized, and ready to go for foundation, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. And this is in the shade Classic Ivory. So now that that's all blended in, we're going to go ahead and go in with the eyebrows. And my favorite eyebrow powder is the NYX eyebrow powder in the shade Brunette. Now we're going to use the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Fair and a nice angled brush. We're going to outline those brows to give them more definition. Now we're just going to blend that in with our flat top concealer brush. Just be very careful when doing this step so that you don't mess up any of those defined lines. Alright, so now that the brows are done, we're going to go in with our eyeshadow look. And today I'm going to be using the Blue Honey palette by Kylie Cosmetics. And I love this palette. I've been doing a lot of like peachy, orangey looks lately, but I'm obsessed. So we're going to keep the vibe going. So for today's shadow primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. So for today's transition color, I'm going to be using this color here called Raw. And it's not really going to be my transition color, it's going to be more of my base. I'm actually going to put this all over my lid. I love the pink undertones in this color. It really brightens the lid. It's really pretty. Alright, so we have the base of our lid now. We're going to go in with our actual transition color, and that's going to be this yellow color here called Sweet Like Honey. just like that. It's gonna be a very soft transition for that color. For our transition color, I'm gonna take this color here called Busy Bee and my Kestrel crease brush. I'm going to blend this color right into the crease. I'm now going to take my blending shadow brush and a little bit more of that Sweet Like Honey color, and I'm going to blend these two together. And going outwards to blend these two colors together. I'm now going to take a little bit of my Kylie concealer and I'm going to press that onto the middle of my lid and kind of blend it outward towards the inner and outer eye. Okay, just like that. Alright, you're going to be left with something kind of like this. Now we need to go in and set that. I'm going to wipe off this concealer off this brush, and I'm going to use the same brush and pick up some of my Sephora translucent setting powder. I'm going to dab right on top of the concealer. Look at the difference between the two. You can just see how much more flawless this side looks with that setting powder. We are going to blend this out. Now I'm going to take my Heavenly Line and Buff brush and I'm going to use the line side. I'm going to take this color here called Honeymoon and I'm going to put that right into the crease. I'm also going to blend this color right into the corner of my inner eye and my outer eye as well. I'm going to take this color here called Bumble and I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm going to just use my finger. It's a lot easier to pick up a good amount of product with your finger and make that really pop. Now I'm just going to take my blending shadow brush and pick up a little bit of that color Honeymoon and just blend it into the corners of my eye here just to make this all come together. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner concealer and I'm just going to put a little bit underneath my eyes. I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender. Before that has a chance to move, we are going to set that using the Sephora translucent setting powder. Now we need to set our foundation and I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals foundation and this is in the shade Fair. Now I'm going to go in and contour, and I'm going to be using the Naked Skin Shapeshifter Contouring Palette. And for my contour, I'm going to be using the medium contour. Also going to contour my nose a little bit just with the excess powder. For my bronzer, I'm going to use the dark contour. And you just need a tiny bit of this color if you're using this palette, because it can get kind of orange. Now I'm going to go in with my light contour and just brighten the eyes up a little bit. And same with the forehead up top. And my contour line down here as well. For my blush, I'm going to be using Hollywood Boulevard in my Cocoa collection by Kylie Cosmetics. Now we're gonna mix these two colors here, Honeymoon and Buzzy Bee, or Honeymoon and Buzzy Bee. I'm gonna take a little bit of this color Bumble right here. I'm just gonna blend that very softly on the bottom lash line and the tear duct right here. For today's highlight, I'm gonna be using this color Glow Up, and I'm just going to highlight my eyes first by putting it in the inner eye right here. Right below on the brow line. Now we're going to highlight the cheekbones. And the chin. And the forehead. I'm going to highlight the nose. Highlight the lip as well. For today's lip, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Ashton. And for my mascara, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs, and this is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I love this look. It's so cute. I'm getting hot. I need to take this hoodie off. I'm dying. Whew. Alrighty, you guys, here is the finished look. So much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look that I created today using the Blue Honey palette by Kylie Cosmetics. I'm obsessed with all the orange and like burnt orange colors, and going down the spectrum to like orange peachy and like pink peachy. I've just been obsessed with those colors, especially going into springtime and summertime. But if you like this video, definitely check out a few of my other videos. I'll have a couple linked down below. And make sure to hit like and hit subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you're interested in any of these products, I have them linked all down below. So click those links and check them out. And as always, I hope you guys had an amazing week and have an amazing rest of your week. And I will see you in my next video.